The rebels or the military? They just don't know.
Suami ibu mana?
Suami ibu dah keluar sana karena dia enggak berani lagi kemarin sudah dikumpul lagi orang laki-laki tadi. Saya bilang jangan keluar. Macam mana Pak? Coba bayangkan. Kalau datang tentera ini pakai topeng, bukan topeng ini dekat badan. Apa enggak takut? Semua takut. Enggak ada orang yang enggak takut sama tentera sekarang. Jadi takut sama GAM, takut sama tentera, sama siapa juga. Kami berdoa selalu sama Allah.
Sudah?
Belum Pak, ini belum puas saya. Belum puas. Belum puas karena dijajah oleh bangsa sendiri. Ya enggak sanggup saya pikir Pak. Aku bakar rumahmu nanti.
It's not just the villagers who are on edge here. The death toll in clashes across Aceh this year has hit 300, many of them Indonesian soldiers. Troops have died in grenade attacks and ambushes.
Saya membawa anak buah saya di sini jumlahnya 246 orang. 67 orang mati. Saya tidak pernah mengatakan kepada ibu begini, ibu bapak. Saya tidak pernah begitu. Saya hanya ingat
there is no trust.
Udah waktunya dia mati.
Everyone is a suspect in an ongoing military sweep for rebels. The Free Aceh guerrillas are clearly no easy target for the Indonesians. Not far from where soldiers patrol, we're here to see firsthand the success of the rebels' village recruitment program.
Dan terima kasih berayut ulun tuan kun.
We find 60 new recruits. 5 from each of the nearby villages are starting their first day of training.
Sebagai sabah bangsa yang merdeka, ubah dunia. Pakiban bangsa gop merdeka, ketanya payah merdeka cit. Pakiban bangsa gop maju, ketanya payah maju cit lagi bangsa gop. InsyaAllah akan maju.
Saat!
For the next 2 months, these recruits will train in preparation for life as guerrilla fighters under the Free Aceh flag. The reluctance of the international community to back their cause has prompted the Aceh rebels to seek support in unsavoury and provocative places like Libya.
For us, we got 2 chances. The firstly, our men can study in Libya. The second one, our men can train the military trainings in Libya. Yes, they got both. Yeah, what we need.
Neighbouring Malaysia too has served as a secret rebel training ground. These recruits don't know how long the struggle will be, but they're digging in for a long haul.
The Timorese can get independent after 20 years, but our struggle also after 20 years. Maybe the next year or the next times we will become independent.
Yeah. Dengan wali negara.
In Aceh's bitter struggle, another generation is preparing to fight for freedom.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Their faith is in their God and their glorious cause. Despite the odds, they may still have a chance.
Darah lun, jiwa lun, harta lun.